Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to rearrange your playlist. Now, we have already seen how you can create a playlist the right way, how you update the title, thumbnails using SEO, right? But how do you rearrange? Because that is also another critical part. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description, right? So for this channel, you can see I have already created playlists. I have set the thumbnail, I have set the description, and I have arranged the videos. But in case where you have a lot of volume of videos, I only have 123 videos. For my other channel, I have around, I guess, 800 videos, and over there, rearranging and arranging playlists is a very important task, right? So how do you go about this? So I will just go to one of the playlists, and once you click on the videos over here, now you can see there are a lot of videos in this. The primary reason you can see mix of short and videos is that you just tag the playlist when you are uploading a video, right? But it is very important that you rearrange this. So click on edit on YouTube, and you can see the playlist over here, right? So it is very important that we arrange this, right? So there are two ways. One is you can do it manually. So see this drop down. So once you click on manual means you can rearrange it by yourself. Like you can click on this to dash and you can just drag it and you can arrange it as per your wish. So there are 29 videos. I will have to do it manually for all 29 videos. The second option is you can arrange it basis rules. So maybe by the latest video which was added, it will appear. So you can see 16 hours ago, 1 day ago. So it has been arranged as per date added. The oldest video comes in this first, right? Most popular video. So this is the views, the playlist in a range in this case. Again, date published and date oldest. Now these are the different ways in which you can basically arrange the videos. My favorite is arranging it manually because I like to place the best video of the overall playlist over here. So mine is travel podcast and then short. So I do this. So you can click on these three dots and you can see there are options over here as well, that you can move to top, you can move to bottom. So if I click move to top, now you see this video has gone on the top of the playlist, right? So this way you can arrange it from clicking these three videos, three dots over here as well. So that's one. The most important thing is, if you're doing it manually you can arrange it, but better to have something with a logic. But the best practices are the most important. So best practices are always keep the best video at the top of the playlist. That's rule number one. So I have, so it can be best, it can be introductory video. Then put it in logical series. Suppose if you have a series of videos covering different parts, it's ideal. So you can see over two, three, four, right? So it's ideal you keep it in a series way so that it appears as a part of series and people who are watching playlist, the viewers can go through it step by step in sequence. Group videos by topic instead of upload that when possible, and review your playlist regularly as you publish new content, because as I said, the videos might get pushed down. Now if you want people who are visiting this playlist to watch the videos majorly, then you will have to ensure that the videos are placed at the top as per your preference, but that's the most important part. So another way is I will push all the videos to the top. I took this as an example because I had not rearranged this playlist since I've been uploading videos in this case, right? And this is my main podcast video, so I will keep it at the top. So now you see I have kept the videos. So if someone is visiting this playlist, they will watch the long videos first, and then I have all the series of shorts in this playlist which will appear, right? So this is the way you can go about rearranging a playlist. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section. Do check out our video on creating a playlist the right way, and do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.